Hello viewers, if you have already bought iPad 11th generation, in that case you will need some accessories like iPencil alternatives. So in this video I will talk about two iPencil alternatives that you can buy from Amazon.in. The first iPencil that you can buy is Kingone upgraded stylus pen. It has many features like sensitivity, palm rejection, prevents false on-off touch, power display, tilt sensitivity and magnetic absorption. This pen is ideal for iPad 10th generation, iPad 11th generation, iPad Pro, iPad Air and many other iPads. I have been using this iPencil for a couple of months and I am getting great experience while writing. And if you remove the nib of this pen, you can see that there is also a nib inside it. Actually it has 3 nibs extra inside the box, so in future if you accidentally breaks the nib of this pen, you will have no problem whatsoever. If you want to take a closer look of the nib, you can see that this type of nib will be provided with this box. This Kingone pencil comes with Type-C port, so you can charge it very quickly using your charger. And if you want to activate or deactivate this, you have to tap twice on the top of this pen. In this way you can activate. And two things are not accessible. If you want to pull down the notification panel, that is not possible using this pen, and also you cannot have all the multitasking apps like this using this pen. While using this pen, I did not feel any latency issues, so writing experience on the Note app of Apple is equally good. And one more thing, you will have scribble feature along with this tablet. I don't use the scribble feature too much, but if you want to use that feature, you will have the option. One more feature is that it has magnetic grip, and if you want to attach this pen on the top of your iPad, you can do that. However, the magnet is very fragile or very less powerful, so you have to be very careful while attaching it on the magnet. The next pencil that you can buy is Digiroot pencil for iPad. It is compatible with iPad 6 up to iPad 11th generation. Both of these two iPencils are of the same budget, around 1.5k. During offers you will have discounts. Digiroot pencil also comes with all the features that are available on Kingone pencil. So if you want to buy this pencil, I will put the link in the description. You can buy using that link. If you want a comparison video between these two pencils, let me know in the comment sections below. I will make a separate video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.